Want to ignore messages on Messenger? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can ignore messages on Messenger. First thing you want to do is launch open the Messenger app on your device. Now, there are a couple of ways on how you can ignore messages. You want to tap and hold on the conversation that you want to ignore. Now you have a bunch of options here. The first thing you can do is archive. If you do not want to see the messages appearing on this list, then you can simply tap on the archive option. So as you can see, once you tap on archive, this conversation has been removed from your chat list. If you again want to get it back, you want to tap on this menu icon, tap on archive, and then select this conversation. And then again, you will have to tap on unarchive. Now the next thing you can do is mute the conversation. Tap on mute. Now you can select mute message notification, mute call notification, or mute both message and call notifications. If you select the third option, even if they call you or message you, you will not receive any kind of notifications. Now the next thing you can do is simply restrict them. Tap on the restrict option. Once you tap on restrict, you will see less of this user, which means you will see less of their posts, and if they send you a message, you will not receive any notification. So these are some ways by which you can ignore messages on Messenger, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.